Hey, what's up world? Welcome to United Cuisines, your show for international recipes. Our goal is to bring the world a little bit closer together by cooking dishes from every country on earth. In today's episode, we will head to Germany once more for springtime. Brought Germany's favorite vegetable, long, slim and white, German asparagus. Its taste is milder and less bitter than its green sibling. We will make use of this precious seasonal commodity and prepare a delicious and creamy asparagus soup with a buttery and fresh taste. Our recipe will generate 4 deep plates of tasty Spargelsuppe with approximately 300 calories each. Yes, indeed, it's fattier than you assumed, so make sure to share unless you need all the energy for yourself for one of your next 12-hour shifts of asparagus picking on one of Germany's many farms. Now, let's have a look at today's episode's crew in order to understand where all this fat is coming from. Our main ingredient is fresh white asparagus, 500 grams of it. Please make sure to consume fresh asparagus as soon as possible, otherwise you run the risk of your soup being ruined by the increased bitterness of old asparagus. For our stock, we will need 1.5 liters of water, salt and sugar, a teaspoon of each, as well as 1 lemon. Moreover, 50 grams of butter, 60 grams of flour, and 200 milliliters of cooking cream will turn our soup into a creamy sensation. And I don't know about you guys, but I want me some of that creamy sensation right now. So let's get to work. As usual, start by properly placing everything nicely in the spotlight. This doesn't only look better on camera, but also helps you with a good, organized cooking experience. A well thought out approach is half the battle, or half the rent, as they say in Germany. Great. Now we are ready to go. Properly wash the asparagus and get your knife ready. It's important to cut off the asparagus woody ends, unless you enjoy chewing on a bamboo like a happy panda. Once done, we will start by peeling those beautiful, long, pale sticks, which look like they missed out on a lot of sunlight during their lifetime. Which they did, by the way, but you shouldn't. So consider doing this peeling activity while sitting on your balcony or porch. Depending on what sort of asparagus you got, you might not need to peel all the way. Some soup asparagus' skin is rather thin on the upper part and easy to chew, so no matter how much you gotta peel off, make sure to not chop off the asparagus' precious head, which is the best part. Great, well done, no heads lost in the process. Now let's get our pot out and prepare our asparagus stock. Pour in 1.5 liters of water into the pot and place the asparagus skin in it. Close the lid and let it boil. In the meanwhile, cut 2 slices of your organic lemon and put it into the pot together with the salt and the sugar. Give everything a good stir, and once it boils, reduce the temperature to medium-low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. While we wait, we can cut our naked asparagus into 1-inch long pieces. And have a look here. The diameter of the top part is only half of the bottom. And since you're a smart kid, you already know why we're separating the heads from the rest here, right? Now, let's move on to the risky and fun part. Let's get our stock water for our Spargelsuppe. What follows next you should definitely do in your sink. We took on the extra risk here in order for it to look nice on screen. Just for you, my precious audience from around the world. Place a sieve into a big enough bowl and separate our stock from the skin. A cautious but quick movement is needed here. Just like this. Yeah, just like this. Just like this. More or less. Nice, well done. Now get rid of the skin and pour the stock back into the pot and add the asparagus body blocks into it. Since the heads are thinner and therefore will be fully cooked faster, we will add them later. In total, boil the big blocks 12 to 15 minutes over medium heat. Remember to close the lid. After 5 minutes of boiling, add the thin asparagus head and let them boil together for the remaining 7 to 10 minutes. Good. Moving on to the final chapter of today's show. Since you had so much fun the first time, let's pour our stock through a sieve into a bowl once more. Just this time, make sure to not throw away the asparagus blocks. We will need them for our soup, obviously. So don't throw them away next to the peeled skin, please. Neither the stock. We will need 800 milliliters of it for our soup. So grab your ladle and start scooping. Great. Let's prepare our creamy soup now. Clean your pot and put it on the stove over medium heat. Put in the butter and let it fully melt before you add the flour. Let the flour sweat a bit, and once it's fully united with the butter, pour 1 ladle of our stock over it. Give it a stir until the butter flour blocks fully dissolve and repeat the process. This will take a few minutes and make sure that all the butter flour blocks dissolve and that the flour is fully cooked by the end of this process. Pour in another ladle of stock into the pot and swap your spatula for your whisk if you haven't done so yet. By now you should already know what to do. Keep on whisking until the butter flour blocks dissolve and observe how the consistency of the butter flour mix turns from sticky glue to something like melted cheese before it becomes watery by the end of the last ladle of our asparagus stock. And that's basically it. Now stir in the cream and season with salt, pepper and lemon to taste. And if you're anything like us, you will definitely mess up your clothes during the process. So don't forget to put on your apron. Turn off the stove and pour a ladle or two over the cooked blocks of asparagus. Creamy and fresh, with chunks of asparagus that are not too crunchy and not too soggy. Decorate with some chopped parsley and dive into a delicious buttery and creamy sensation. Guten Appetit! If you enjoyed our show and want to support us in our mission to bring the world a little bit closer together, make sure to like and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you, and until next time with another international recipe here at United Cuisines.